My name is Krista Evans. I'm a speech pathologist with Early On. I got into special education after doing a clinical internship in graduate school where I worked with students with special needs and fell in love. My role as an Early On specialist is to evaluate and treat students that have communication delays. I go into their homes to help families and caregivers learn strategies to help grow their communication skills and participate more fully in their community and interact with peers. Part of what I love about my job is there is no typical. Some days I am in meetings working with other professionals to try and develop plans for students to become successful. Some days I'm doing all evaluations of students that we need to determine if there is a need for service. And some days I am out doing home visits, helping families and caregivers learn how to interact with their children. Seeing a child be able to communicate with somebody that they live with or that they're with a long time and use that first word or use that first gesture so that they can have a relationship with the people around them is just the best thing. I had a student that had a profound hearing loss, and he had no way to communicate because he couldn't hear. And the first time that we were able to get him to sign "all done" and prevent a tantrum made his mom cry, and it made me cry because he was able to tell her what he wanted and what he needed, and it just was amazing.